Hello and welcome back to Nexudus tutorials. We've covered the basics of the new dashboard in the previous video. Now let's look at how we improved listings across the admin panel to help you filter and find records in a click. We've replaced the old tabs with views menus that help you quickly filter your records. If we take products as an example, you can easily filter by published, internal, available and archived products. The views menus change to include relevant filters for each list. All views menus also include a show all option that instantly lists all the records available for that item in your location. On top of this quick filtering option, you can apply as many filters as you'd like based on the fields available in each list. For example, you can filter assets by SKU or bookings by resource and customer. Sorting through records has never been easier. Just click on one of the column headings to sort your list. You can also tick the checkboxes on the left and select one of the actions available in the Bulk Actions menu to edit all the selected records at once. You can also click the three-dot icon at the end of each record to trigger one of the available actions. The dashboard now displays up to 100 records at a time. You can tweak how many you want to include per page by selecting the number of rows in the bottom left corner of the page. You'll also find the available pages at the bottom of every list. Check out the next video to learn more about records on the latest version of the admin panel.